How to create meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Teams, log into your account. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find video like option on left side, which is Meet. Simply click on that and then click on Create a Meeting Link. Add your name, then click on Create. After it's done, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Share Link as it will be copied to your clipboard. After it's copied to your clipboard, you can share the link with anyone you want in meeting. After that, you're good to go. This is how to create meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.